Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use these three AI websites to generate some AI elements that you probably need. The first one is Jumina AI. Here you can more likely generate images and character designs rather than videos. The next one is Haluo AI. Here you can generate videos. It says you can add an image and then it's going to create a video for you. Or you can even just type your idea in there. The third one is Kling AI. Again, you can go to the video section here and you can add in your image. You can add in a prompt here and then you can generate the video that you'd like. I'm just going to do cat here and then you're just going to select generate here. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. So here on the last website, you have around 100 and something credits. I used 20 of it, so I think there was like 166 credits that you have already. So again, it will take a long time to load, but yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.